This is a video showing how to change the UV bulb on your Malvern Panalytical OMNISEC GPC system. First, ensure that the UV bulb is turned off. Using a hex key, remove the two screws on the protective covering surrounding the UV detector. Remove the protective covering. Locate the clip securing the wire harness and unlatch. Then locate the connector holding the wire harness and disconnect. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the two screws holding the bulb in place. Carefully remove the old bulb. The new bulb will come with the wiring harness and clips. Replace the new bulb and avoid touching the bulb with bare hands. Use the two Phillips head screws to secure the bulb in place. Reconnect the wiring harness connector and secure in place with the clip. Replace the protective covering surrounding the UV bulb and secure in place with the two hex screws. You are now ready to begin testing with your new UV bulb.